So we've got pretty busy lives. 3 kids, 3 dogs. We're putting a lot of miles on our cars.
Between work, school, dance, and
Jiu-jitsu, wrestling, piano, it goes on and on.
I'm getting tired just thinking about it, but needless to say, we are always on the road.
Our cars are crucial in our everyday lives, so that's why we have to have CarShield.
CarShield protects your car from unexpected breakdowns and can help save drivers like us thousands on car repairs.
CarShield is America's most trusted auto protection company. With an affordable month-to-month plan, you get protection on up to 5,000 parts and systems, plus additional benefits that don't expire.
You know, I like to think I'm kind of like CarShield. Tough, dependable, charming.
That actually sounds like you're talking about me. I'm the CarShield in the relationship, and I'm here to save your butt and save us money.
Well, it is the perfect match. Every aging car needs CarShield to keep them on track.
Call CarShield now to lock in your rate on a month-to-month plan. Plus, enjoy unlimited mileage, roadside assistance, courtesy towing, and rental options with every plan. Call 800-807-9811.